Stock markets surged after President Donald Trump announced a 90-day pause on sweeping tariffs against global trading partners on Wednesday. The tariffs had caused the stock market to tumble for several days prior to the announcement. On Truth Social Wednesday, Trump announced the pause on what he called reciprocal tariffs because, quote, more than 75 countries have called representatives of the United States to negotiate trade deals, and Trump's stated willingness to negotiate. During this 90-day period, a substantially lowered reciprocal tariff of 10% will be in effect for negotiating countries. However, there's a key exception: China. Trump accused China for a, quote, lack of respect, and its imports will not benefit from this pause. In fact, China's imports will face a 125% tariff rate after imposing retaliatory tariffs. Several countries have already indicated their desire and plans to negotiate, including South Korea, Israel, the EU, and Japan. The Nasdaq surged more than 10% following Trump's announcement, while the S&P and Dow Jones surged 8% and 7% respectively, recovering from a slide in points experienced Monday and Tuesday. Trump's pause on tariffs comes after his aides had previously claimed the president was not open to making deals, let alone pausing tariffs entirely. Trump trade advisor Peter Navarro has similarly suggested the tariffs are not up for discussion, writing in an op-ed Monday for the Financial Times, quote, "This is not a negotiation," even as Trump himself suggested he was willing to make deals hours later. JP Morgan Chase's chief executive Jamie Dimon told Fox Business that trade deals are complex and lengthy endeavors that, quote, can't be done overnight. This interview took place Wednesday before Trump's tariff pause. While Trump has initiated discussions with some countries, Politico reports that many others, including those in Southeast Asia, have not yet been contacted about negotiations. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent has not provided a timeline for these negotiations or indicated if the 90-day pause could be extended. Do you think Trump will stick to his 90-day tariff pause? For more on these stories, check out Antonio Pequeño's and Allison Durkee's articles linked in the description.